Okay, these next bits are the bits I really enjoy. It's actually making this look and interact a bit nicer. So we're going to look at hover. Now, hover is amazing. I love hover. Hover just makes me happy. Doesn't take much, does it? Anyway, so we're applying this to our class navlinks. Okay, so basically anything inside here is now going to get this star. And we're only interested in the link items, the side of list items there. And we've now got this a:hover. What this is kind of like, I don't know the exact term for it if I'm honest with you, but let's call it a subclass. It basically means that when we hover over the link, we will change its color. So here it says color. I've just got a different color in there. I'm going to save that and run it. I see it doesn't look like I haven't changed it, but as soon as I put my mouse over it, you see the colors changed. And that is now the beginnings of a more pretty looking navigation bar. Okay, so play around with on hover. You can obviously change that color to be whatever you want to. Again, you can use your color chooser to pick whatever color you want to. But get that working next, and then we can actually start to make this look even better.